talking to the Meta AI chatbot on Facebook or Instagram will start influencing the kind of ads and other content you see in a few months. Yes, it's gonna be more annoying now. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech news. Starting December 16th, chatting with Meta AI on Facebook or Instagram won't just be about getting answers, it'll start shaping your entire online experience. Whether you ask the chatbot for travel tips or gym routines, Meta will use those conversations to change what shows up in your feed, from recommended posts and groups to, of course, targeted ads. And here's the worst part, you can't turn it off. Meta claims it's all about making content more relevant. The company explains, if you chat with Meta AI about hiking, we may learn that you're interested in hiking. It's like liking a hiking post or joining a trail group. But here's what that really means, is that your conversations, even the most casual ones, will be used as data to fuel Meta's massive ad engine. The data collection lines are blurring. When users once clearly understood that likes and clicks shaped their feeds, and talking to a friendly AI assistant felt different, more private and less transactional. But soon, this illusion will pop. Your AI chats will be treated just like any other interaction. Only Europe and the UK are the exception, where stricter privacy laws like GDPR are keeping Meta AI on a shorter leash, at least for now. This change by Meta can redefine how AI assistants work in our lives. If you think you can change the AI, then know that Google's Gemini and Amazon's Rufus are also using chat data for personalization. So if you're asking Meta AI where to find the best coffee, don't be surprised when your feed becomes a latte lover's paradise. And if that feels like a step too far, you better stay silent. Or maybe ask a real person, are you bothered too by this update? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.